checking about timing. I'm working on that, getting things on time. And I think a big part of that is also tempering my expectations on how long or how quickly I can do something. So today I was leaving the airport and I had a meeting with a coach, and I anticipated, leaving the airport, getting a rental car, and picking up my bags would take, hour max, and then 45-minute drive. I could be there at about 3:40ish.
And that was adding about 10 minutes for the drive and giving more than enough time, to my way of thinking, for doing all the other things that had to get done. And it ended up taking, so when I gave a time for a meeting, I gave another 20 minutes on top of that. So I said we could meet about 4, leaving from the airport.
And I ended up getting to the meeting at about 4:15. Obviously I gave her an update that we were running a bit late, but today's event really goes to show how many little occurrences of extra blocks of time,
Walking to get suitcases, and then picking up the suitcases, and getting a rental car, and waiting around for just different small amounts of
time just building up into a 15-minute delay from what I had already anticipated would, be plenty of time. Like I said, I blocked in an extra 20 minutes. So I think when I'm scheduling, and I think this is a good skill that I have to take note of now, because I think my life's probably only going to get busier from now. But when scheduling, just blocking out even more time than necessary and assuming, I was told an interesting rule, giving oneself about 30% extra time. So assuming it's going to take, if you think something's going to take an hour, giving yourself an hour and 20 minutes to get it done. Yeah, 30%, yeah, 20, jeez, math, it's been a while. And that was proven today. I mean, I assumed it would take an hour 40, and 30% of an hour 40 would be, 40 minutes. Is that right? 100 minutes, a third of 100 is, yeah, about 30 minutes, because it should have been. So if I had given myself that extra 30% buffer, I would have arrived on time, basically. So I think I'll as I'm trying to be on time to things, I'll start applying that 30% buffer.